Hey guys, check this out. This is the peripherals that I'm working on. This is a mouse with ton of buttons and a scroll wheel. This one are just buttons. There is also one with a joystick and one with a trackball. Any buttons can be reassigned as pleased. For example, this one is a line. This one is a polyline. That would be a circle, rectangle. Now we can also delete everything. So let's say I want to assign a new shortcut. For example, first I'm going to do a polyline, and now I want to use a shortcut A for the angle. I would open the application, go to the index finger second button, and that would be A for angle, save button assignment. Also I can see all my assignments here. Close that one, transmit, and now, don't need that one. If I push the second button, now I'm on a constraint angle, so shortcut A. Okay. So, for more information, visit links-workshop.com.